Ciao a tutti, I'm Bingjie, a participant for B tent program. Currently I'm Milan, greeting you. And before attending to this MFB program, I was working as a wine taster specialized in international trading in China. And my passion for wine and spirits has driven me to Milan, Italy. After 6 months interacting with all the participants from different regions in the world, from different cultural and lingual backgrounds, I have developed a lot of my teamwork skills and my managerial skills. And of course, learning a lot from the theoretical courses cover all the aspects in food and beverage industry. And very fortunately, I have been chosen as one of the participants of the Diageo field project, which is super coherent and aligned with my future career. Ciao, see you in Milan for aperitivo.